Alright, so our floor is grouted. One of the sheets that we put in just has a different color. That's the problem with natural stone tile. You know, this stuff is actually just cut out of a rock, and you can kind of see that pretty well. So we're gonna go through the pain in the ass process of taking that sheet out and then putting a new sheet in. All right, so we got that piece of tile replaced, and just like every other guy, whoever would do this, you know, you kind of fight yourself. Oh, do I have to do it? Maybe we can, you know, get by or whatnot. I'm really happy I did. I mean, that looks perfect. You don't have to bring any attention to it or anything. Because, you know, in construction, if there's one thing that you kind of try to let slip by, then the customer could catch it, will catch it, and then is going to look at everything else, you know? So I'm happy we replaced that tile. Now that looks perfect. I'm gonna wash all this down one more time. That is basically washed down again. It's gonna, when it dries 100%, it's gonna whiten up a little bit because the, you know, natural stone tile will absorb some water. I did seal that originally when I put it in, and I'm gonna seal this stuff probably 2 more times tomorrow before I do anything else. So this problem is solved. I'm happy we did it. And, you know, it's really hard to work with natural stone tile. Like, a lot of times you have to even, you know, like, that piece is kind of random, but I think it kind of looks cool. So I'm leaving that in. But sometimes you see a piece that just doesn't belong in there. You know, these sheets are not printed. They're literally dug out of the ground, cut, and they try to sort to see what looks best. So I'm happy how this turned out. And honestly, I'm a little bit proud of myself.